Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Fatiha. And first of all, you are requested, if you did not subscribe to our channel, you may subscribe our channel, and you may also press the bell icon so you could receive the notifications. Okay, let us start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Okay, this is the Shadda sign, and it's mean we have to pronounce this letter two times. Okay, Rabbil Alameen. And you are watching that this alif is silent, and Ba is directly connect with this lam. Okay, Rabbil Alameen. Yes, if we are going to stop here, this Fatah sign should be would be converted into a Sukun sign, and this will be Meen Rabbil Alameen. Okay, if we are going if we don't stop here, we can continue, and we can connect this noon to this ra directly, and in this case the alif and the lam will be silent. Okay, and in our case we are going to stop here. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, we are watching no sign in the on the alif, but actually there is a hidden fatha sign on the alif. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. And in this case also we are going to stop here, and this kasra will be converted into sukun sign if we are going to stop here. Okay, if we don't stop here, in that case we can pronounce this one Ar-Rahmanir Rahimi. Yes, okay. Go forward. Maliki Yawmiddin. Meme is going to connect with this dal directly, and in this case this alif and this lam will be silent. Maliki Yawmiddin. In this case also we are going to stop here, and we this kasra will be converted into sukun sign. Okay, if we don't stop here, we can pronounce this one Yawmiddini. Okay, go forward. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Yes. Ihdi. Okay, we are watching no sign here, but there is a hidden kasra in the bottom of alif. We can say also this one Hamza. Yes. Ihdi Nasiratal Mustaqim. Here, noon is directly going to connect with this sword, and this alif and this alif and this lam will be silent. These three are these three letters will be silent. Okay. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Here, ta is going to connect with this lam. Tal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina. Here, ta is going to connect with this lam because there is a shadda sign, and the shadda sign, and this letter will be pronounced two times. Okay. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب. Ra is going to connect with this lam. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Okay, we have to stretch the dot sound for 5 times. Okay, and in the for 5 times, and we at the end of the stretching we have also connect with this dot to this lam. Okay, in the English we can say this one dot dot for 5 times, and at the end we can connect with this dot lean. Okay, this shape will be made. Okay, waladdallin. Okay, we can we have to okay, let me repeat this one. We have to stretch the dot sound for 4 or 5 times. Okay, for 4 times or for 5 counts, or we can also say similar to 5 alifs or 4 alifs. Waladdallin. And at the end, and there is a shadda sign, and at the end we have to connect with this dot to this lam. Waladdallin. Yes, okay. We have to repeat this one once again. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.